Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into a popular investment platform that has been getting a lot of buzz lately, Titan Invest. Is it worth your time and money? Let's break it down in this quick review. Titan Invest is a mobile-first investment management platform designed to give you access to hedge fund style investing. It's an interesting blend of traditional and modern investing strategies, and it's available for both beginner and experienced investors. But what sets Titan apart from the competition? Let's explore. First up, Titan's investment strategy. It operates on a top-down investment approach, meaning they focus on high conviction, long-term growth stocks. They aim to pick companies with massive upside potential, just like a hedge fund would, without the hefty minimums or fees. Pretty cool, right? Titan offers personalized portfolios focusing on industries like technology, consumer goods, and healthcare. You can track your portfolio's performance directly on the app, which is slick and easy to navigate. But what about fees? Titans charge a 1% management fee, which is a little higher than some robo advisors, but that's because they're giving you that hedge fund like experience. You also have a minimum investment of $100 to get started, so it's pretty accessible for new investors. What's the feedback from users? Reviews are generally positive, with many praising Titans for its transparency and user friendly interface. However, some users mention the management fee can add up over time, especially if your investment is small. So, is Titan Invest worth it? Well, if you're looking for a hands off investment with the potential for higher returns and you're okay with a slightly higher fee, Titan could be a great fit for you. But like any investment, it's important to do your research and see if it aligns with your goals. Overall, Titan Invest offers a unique and accessible way to invest like the pros, but as always, make sure to understand the risks before you dive in. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.